Constructions, the 11th chapter of the syllabus. Let's see what is the essentiality for discussing about constructions. Construction, the word which comes mostly when we strike with construction, we strike in real life with construction of buildings, construction of bridges, and construction of roads. What is this construction? So let's see in brief about what construction means in the mathematical sense. Today's session is about constructions connected with the branch of mathematics. Before we get into understanding construction in detail, let's get into introduction of a real life situation. So for example, I have a bridge. This is the bridge along which I would like to construct a support. As you have here, the bridge has the support in either sides, but it needs to have a support in the middle. So my situation in case of this bridge is about identifying exactly the middle point of this bridge where I can construct a middle point. So in order to find, an engineer finds that in order to build a pillar exactly in the middle, he needs to measure the midpoint of this distance AB. Such a situation in which the end of the bridge on the left is A and the end of the bridge on the right is B, which is a line segment AB at which the engineer would like to build a pillar exactly in the middle of the bridge. So here I have the bridge problem. This purely needs the knowledge of construction. An engineer proudly uses mathematics, that is, the topic of constructions in such real life situations. How do we make the pillar supporting the bridge in the middle? Because we all know that if we have all the pillars supporting down, then the heavy vehicles passing on the top would stand with the hard concrete of the bridge, or else the bridge would fall and collapse on the ground, making more damages and casualties. Therefore, an engineer, while constructing this new bridge, is very cautious about using constructions. So here he takes the line AB and tries to measure the midpoint, which is at this point. And then he uses the three types of pillars and then constructs a bridge out here. So here is the bridge supported by the pillar exactly in the middle. That's how we understand constructions. But now the biggest question which comes is, how could the engineer identify the middle value or exactly the middle point of this length AB is the biggest question in constructions. We use this real life problem as a base to understand the topic of constructions. So let's see how the engineer has come successfully by building the three pillars exactly at equal distances so that the bridge stands perfect. A real life situation of a bridge which uses the knowledge of constructions. Constructions to be followed briefly.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.